Hello, internet friends. I got another TRS-80 Model 1, and it almost works. I'm gonna I'm gonna power it on and show what it's doing here. This one's got the keypad, the number pad on it. We got a screen. I'm turning the power on. See, memory size. Just enter. So basic comes up, but it's got a permanent vertical roll. So, from what I've read, turn everything off here. It's either, let me see, Z6, like, I think either like this chip or Z57, this chip right in here. So this is the vertical, apparently this vertical sync, and Z57 does vertical sync, and Z5 does the horizontal sync, and then Z6 like combines them. So it's either probably, I think it's right. So it's probably either Z6 or Z57. I don't know. I cleaned the little resistor swap thing, but that didn't help it. So if I adjust this, it has no effect. So it's maybe it's one of those chips. I thought about taking the chips out of my other TRS-80 Model 1, and I'll probably do that, but I don't know yet, because I want to be able to connect the keyboard, turn it into a Raspberry Pi, or turn it into a USB keyboard. I have been unsuccessful. I wanted to keep one original, so I was going to keep this one original. I didn't even want to take it apart, but I had to. And I actually broke the seal on it to take it apart. That was sealed. And so I felt kind of bad taking it apart, but you know, I had to, because mainly not because of the vertical scroll thing, but because the case was cracked, and I wanted to at least repair the case. It don't look very good, but it's now solid. It's probably out of focus. But yeah, I didn't want the case to become more damaged. Also, repaired a post. That post right there was broken off. I glued that back on. So that's about it for this video. If anybody got any suggestions about fixing this, let me know. I'm just going to box this up right now. I don't have enough. I don't know enough to fix it, because I don't want to just start replacing chips. I think what I need to do is learn electronics and find out where on the board I can get 5 volts and the ground to be able to use a logic probe. And I think I could like figure out if something's working or not with a logic probe, or would I need an oscilloscope? I don't know how to use an oscilloscope. I have no idea. It looks really cool, but I really don't know how to use it. So I'll probably box this up for now, and try to learn, learn more stuff, So this is gonna have to go in the yet to do projects. I gotta learn more stuff, man. Alright. Scotty Animation. Talk to you later.